Hello. Today we will learn words from the second episode of the TV series Extra English. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be asleep. He is asleep in his bed. Have a cold. She has a cold and stays at home. Pajamas. I love my blue pajamas. Awful. This soup tastes awful. Clothes. These clothes are new. Wear. She wears a red dress. Leather jacket. He is wearing a leather jacket. Bandana. He tied a red bandana. Vest. He wears a vest in summer. Denim shirt. She bought a denim shirt. Shopkeeper. The shopkeeper is very kind. Customer. The customer is happy. Sell. They sell fresh bread. Buy. I want to buy a new phone. A pair of trousers. He wears a pair of black trousers. A pair of shoes. She bought a pair of shoes. Try it on. This dress looks nice. Try it on. Instead of. I drank tea instead of coffee.